Chemistry is an ancient branch of science with many modern challenges. It involves making new molecules and materials. Of course, it's not enough to just make them. One needs to characterize them and think of applications. Here in IIT Bombay, we constantly try to push the frontiers of chemistry and come up with new excitement in the field.
Our department was created in 1964 and was fortunate to attract a group of very senior scientists from National Chemical Laboratory, Pune. Since late 70s and early 80s, it began attracting generous funding from Government of India and industry and has successfully developed very good infrastructure for modern research.
We are fortunate to attract good faculty members over the years, and many are leaders in their area of research. Some are associate editors and some are editorial advisory board members of many international journals.
Traditionally, Department of Chemistry at IIT Bombay has very strong presence in the domain of chemical synthesis. More than half of the department faculty and student is engaged in developing new strategies for making new chemical entities which are relevant to the problems in biology and materials. We have strong expertise in the domain of total synthesis of complex molecules, carbohydrates, peptides, and nucleic acids, which are very relevant to solve infectious disease problems.
Chemical manufacturing via traditional batch process suffer from the frequent accidents and environment hazards. In our lab, we develop continuous flow process and help industries to convert their traditional batch processes into continuous flow processes. We have trained many industries which include Reliance, Syngenta, Dr. Reddy Labs, Sun Pharma, Anthem Biosciences, and hope in coming years we can help many more industries to convert their batch processes into flow processes.
Chemical catalysis is an important thrust area of the chemistry department at IIT Bombay. The key focus areas are in CH activation, homogeneous and heterogeneous catalysis, bioinorganic chemistry, electron transfer, magnetism, and computational chemistry. Several research groups who are leading experts in the area are driving research at the department and are supported by sophisticated instrument facilities available at the department.
The Department of Chemistry has a very strong and vibrant chemical biology program, and we are attacking various problems like in the field of membrane transport and architecture. We are also having a lot of problems in vaccine development where specialized synthetic technologies to make glycoconjugates have been undertaken. In the field of nucleic acid chemistry, we make DNA, RNA analogues for G-quadruplex inhibitors, etc. and a strong X-ray crystallography program to complement it where we study problems pertaining to antibiotic resistance and biosensing.
Research in the area of materials chemistry in the department spans over both theoretical and experimental aspects of nanomaterials, magnetic materials, biomaterials and soft matter. My own research has primarily dealt with developing molecules that are permanent magnets at high temperatures. In addition to this, we synthesize porous solids for energy applications and inorganic solids that can be delaminated to single layers such as graphene.
Our group works on intermolecular interactions, which is basically to understand how molecules interact among themselves. We use a variety of experimental techniques using lasers and mass spectrometers to understand this interaction and couple it with theoretical modeling. A simple question that we are trying to address is that how Teflon makes cookware non-stick, and can we use similar strategy to understand to make molecules and biomolecules unstick for therapeutical advances.
We use quantum mechanics to explore structure and dynamics of molecules. We also use classical molecular dynamics simulations for very large molecules such as proteins and nucleic acids. We are also interested in theoretical systems biology, and we develop and apply statistical and mechanical models to explore a large area of soft materials.
We work on advanced nanomaterials. To do a high-quality research in this area, one needs to have sophisticated facilities like electron microscopes, lithography facilities, etc. IIT Bombay is one of the few institutes in India have these facilities. Chemistry department at IIT Bombay has a very strong research culture. Apart from facilities, it also provides very good startup grant.
What is more heartening is to see our alumni in many good institutes like IISc, IITs, IISERs as faculty members. Looking forward, we should continue to attract good faculty members. As we have a very strong visiting faculty program, we should try to attract many foreign faculty members in the next few years.
The foremost reason of choosing the Department of Chemistry at IIT Bombay is the highly versatile and conducive research environment present here. The Department of Chemistry in general and the institute as a whole provides excellent infrastructural facilities coupled with the perfect platform to carry out high-end interdisciplinary research, which is both rewarding as well as satisfying. And finally, IIT Bombay attracts the best crop of students from all over the country, which gives us a perfect chance to not only shape their ideas but also to contribute towards nation building.